Other house, the another person, another reports, another advice. These are horrendous grammar mistakes. So today's video is about the difference between other and another. This is based on 16 years of teaching experience, and this is such a common error. You need to know the difference. Okay, so I'm going to start first with another. So another has one use. It goes with countable singular nouns. So here's an example. There will be another ferry in a few hours. There will be another ferry in a few hours. So there, ferry is a countable singular noun, so we're going to use another before it. Here's another example. There is another route up the mountain which is easier. There is another route up the mountain which is easier. So if we go on to other now, so other has three uses. Use number one, it goes with plural nouns. For example, there are other roads which are not blocked. There are other roads which are not blocked. So roads is a countable plural noun, so we need to use other there. So another example here, look at the other clouds in the sky. Look at the other clouds in the sky. So use number two. We use other with uncountable nouns. So examples of uncountable nouns include advice, news, land, furniture, music, sugar, water, research. So here you have an example. There is no other tourism better than in Paris. There is no other tourism better than in Paris. So tourism obviously is uncountable, so we use other. Again, another example here. Other scenery is not quite as good as this. Other scenery is not quite as good as this. Use number three. So we use other with singular countable nouns if there is a complement before other. So we can use, for example, the, my, that, this, are, their, your, one. So for example, we can say, could I have one other steak, please? Could I have one other steak, please? So here's another example. We have this other bird is not shy at all. This other bird is not shy at all. So here we have bird as a singular countable noun, but because we have the complement this before other, we can use other here, or we must use other here. Finally, just to mention, there may be some exceptions to this. This covers 95, 98% of the mistakes my students make. Okay, obviously we've got the word others. That's a different explanation, and maybe I'll talk about that on a different day. But this, I can guarantee you, will cover 98% of the cases. You don't need to know anything else. So I hope that really helps. Thank you for watching.